Hi, thank you for joining me today. My name is Tanner. I'm the technology concierge here at Courtesy Acura. And as you can see, it's a rather snowy day outside, so we're going to go over some of the cold weather features in the new 2019 Acura RDX. Alright, so here in the 2019 RDX Advance, we have both heated and cooled seats, but today on a cold day, we're going to just focus on the heated seats. You have 3 different levels of heat. You have hottest, medium, and low, and you also have auto here. Auto is controlled with the air temperature. So if I go ahead and turn this all the way up, now it is actually heating my seat because it's on auto due to the fact that I have the air temperature all the way up. You also have heated seats here on the passenger side. In the Advance, you also have heated rear seats. So again, you have 3 different levels: hottest, mid, low, and then off. And that is for both of the outboard seats. And here in the RDX Advance, you do have a heated steering wheel. This button right here, and you see the light turns on, it does start heating up the steering wheel. And it gets nice and toasty, which is very nice on cool winter days that we get here in Colorado. Alright, thank you very much for joining me here today as we go over the cold weather features in the new 2019 Acura RDX Advance.